How's it going on? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market. I guarantee that, and I will show you exactly how I do that with ticker EJH. And if you enjoy this content, stay till the end because I have a premium Discord where I charge just a very small monthly fee of about $6 to $7 of the highest value trades that are going to make 100 to 200% gainers potential. And I'll show you exactly how this system works. So stay tuned. So, we have EJH making that big down move. A lot of eyes are on it. A lot of retail get in on this big first candle, which is a lot of times a mistake because a lot of institutions are shorting it big time, and that's why there's a lot of volume coming in. You want to look for the volume to lay down because then shorts are going to start covering. But just to give you a gist of the strategy, when the price goes above red band, that is a short zone. We look to short or sell. When price goes below our green band, I call it the buy zone. We look to get into a position or we're putting eyes onto it. So we initially put our eyes on it on this first green candle. We don't get in on that. We look for other things that tell us how to get a precise entry because you can't base it just on that, but you have to base on other indicators and other stuff that I don't have all the time to go through because I alert that exactly in the Discord and I teach exactly how I do it. But just remember, when price is below the band, we are in an extreme oversold territory because I customize these settings on these bands to correlate that. These are not your common settings. These are, the settings that have worked for years for me and have gave me consistent gains of a reversal oversold pattern. And that's what we're looking. We're looking for a big down move with a lot of sellers piling in. Everyone's freaking out. Stop losses getting taken out. But I'm putting my orders right when those stop losses taken out. People get stop loss. I'm right in here, and then bam, I get hit, and I'm accumulating those shares. And that's exactly what EJH did. We have right in here is where the entry is. We alert the followers right in here, and then we get an explosive move of wow, from 93 all the way to a low, almost 100% gainer right there. Obviously, you're not going to get the very top, but once the price gets above the bottom band, I look to tell my followers we're going to start scaling out because once you have a huge gain, you need to be greedy. Greedy will diminish all your gains, and as you can see, we're diminishing a lot right here. So you always take your profit. Usually I say 20 to 30%. You need to start scaling out and taking your profit. But right here, we alert the bottom right there is where you're looking at it because look at the distance right here. This is quite big a distance, and just to know, the blue band is where price can potentially hit. So I know at 40 cents, and it was at the time $2.05 it can hit. That is a massive, massive potential. When you're looking at that big of a risk reward, I will take that shot any day. So you're looking at now the potential of 1.80. The blue band, remember, is where price can get to. It is a potential conservative target, but remember, as price consolidates, it's going to consolidate with it and it's going to decrease as it goes. But the price will eventually touch it. We just don't know when. Usually, I never seen it over a month and a half not touch it. So right in here, you get a touch and then a long downtrend, and you finally touch it right in here. But do realize none of these are buys. As you can see, we don't alert EJH on all these candles right here. That's the beauty of this system. You let price come to us. In a system like this right here, it gets shorted heavily because it's over the red band. So we are finally at a time where EJH has finally went under the band and it's looking to double dip and give us an entry. Once it crosses under this band, I will look for price action of how to get precise entries. Using my knowledge of years of experience, I will alert my followers, this is the entry we're going to do. I have a 6 ad rule. If you have a $3,000 account, you put $600 on each of my ads to make the most gains. Because remember, catching the bottom, the exact bottom, is impossible to do. If there is any system that can do it, everyone would be rich. There is no system that can do it, but can I catch precise bottoms? Absolutely. And there's a lot of things that can tell us when a thing is just getting so oversold that institutions and a lot of money, big money, is going to want to pump it up. A company can release news. Usually, news is going to be under here. Bad news, I always sees it when the price corrects to the middle band. Once they get this to the middle band, I see a lot of times, they got a lot of retail sucked in and they release all their bad news here. This is where they're going to release their good news, folks. So I like this ticker. It still has a lot of potential to go up. Right now, I'm seeing 1.80. The price is at 53 cents, so that is more than 100% potential gain you can get. That is very beautiful. I'm just waiting for it to go under this band, and then I'm going to use price action and other tools to alert my followers of the most precise price when we're not bag holding. Because when you're bag holding, comes with emotions. You do not want to be emotional. You want to have confidence in your trading. If you enjoyed this, kind of gist of the strategy, obviously I can't go over it all, but I can teach a lot in my Discord. I have a premium Discord where I send out the best, where I take a lot of my time to send out the best trades, and then when the bell hits, I will say this is the price I want to get in before I even get in, because I'm so confident in how I do price action and other tools, and looking at where I think is a reflection point. I am so confident I will alert that right at the bell, so you know exactly what I'm looking for, and you can put an order right in your broker. And then once we get filled, I will look for an exit plan, and I give you all that. Because if you have, if you are in the shares of EJH and you're just like, you don't have a plan, then what good is it? You don't know when to sell, you don't know when to enter, or when you enter, you don't know when to sell. It's just, it's a recipe for disaster. Whereas this, I give you a solid plan. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to get out. And I do that before I'm even in the position. So you should have the exact entry as me. And like I said, I've been doing this for years and been profitable for month by month, and finally releasing videos of how I do it. And like I said, I got tired of losing. So I spent lonely nights, hours and hours and hours, just looking at screen time, looking at what makes sense for my personality, which I like to bottom catch. I like to get extreme discounts, and then I like to return them and to people who want to chase it when it's up 100% and I'm out. I never chase. I get it when it's low and I sell when it's high. That's how it's supposed to be done, and that's how I do it. So if you guys like this strategy, give it a like. Do it a like right now. Subscribe if you like, and I'll post a lot of content. But if you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 to $7. It's not really gonna hurt your bank. It's just more something to say, I'm confident that a lot of people are, that are hurting out there, inflation and all that. So it's only $6 to $7 till 500 members come in. Then I might up it. But till now, I'm going to make it a low price. So you can come in, cancel anytime. If you don't like it, that's totally fine. But I promise you, you're going to be consistently profitable, because I am going to discipline you guys. And I'm going to tell you exactly how we're going to trade to make consistent profits. But if you like how we do this, I'm going to put this Discord link. It's a premium Discord into the YouTube chat, the comment section, where you go down to the comments, and I'll pin it, and it'll also be in the YouTube description. Be easy to find. You won't miss it. And we are going to make a lot of money together, guys. I promise you that. And I hope you guys give me trust. Just try it a month and you won't regret it. All right, guys. Peace out, and I'll alert when I get into EJH. Take care.